Now going to cover the schedule option for the reporting. So once you're in a report and you have decided to choose the information you want to see, so we've filtered it perhaps to a particular department. I'll just choose the call centre at this point. Refresh the report, and we've now got the information specific for the schedule we want. So click on the schedule option, choose to add or create a new task. So we're going to add it to a task. So our daily reports, we're going to give it a new name so we know what it's called. Click on .cc, choose as a PDF or a CSV and save. We can then go into the configuration section if we want to and remove or edit the scheduled tasks, and also if we need to delete the already scheduled reports. Back at the report, we're now going to look at how to create a new task. So all you have to do is create a new task and then give it a name. Once you've decided on the name, we just have to choose who we're going to send it to. We can also add as many people as you want on the CC list. Choose the date we want to start the report running, and then the time we want it to be generated, the regularity of the report to be run, and then we can add the report name. Once we save it, we can then go run another report and add more reports to this same task.